got anchored up here trying to tie a rig up.
I think it was the peanut butter sandwich that did it.
Probably did. He's a fast mover. Definitely a fast moving fish. Right here on the Ohio River, just fishing this tree, down tree here. Tap on it. And just gonna use this as a spot to see if we could get us one and tie us some rigs up. I need to change my hooks to bigger hooks. Going with a little bigger bait today. Just feeling like a, yeah, I thought it might have been a flathead since we're fishing this tree here. It's kind of stuck on a hump, it looks like.
There's nothing on the screen now.
That's fine. It's okay. Oh, he's going all over. Yep.
He's getting in my line.
Yep, he's getting all the lines is what he's getting. Can't do
Oh
nothing
my
about
God.
it now. He's wanting it's over there. Oh. They had to come up to the surface to make things difficult. Now he's going to spin around every single thing. There's the youngster. Pressure on him. A lot of current here. Yep, that's screwed. Yeah, it's screwed. It's pretty bad. That's real bad. Might be able to. Yeah, it's. All right. Ohio River Blue Cat. We got a disaster here. He went through a bunch of lines and spun all the way in, so I'm gonna get him out of here. Oh, that was close. Not a bad little first fish, guys. We just got going here.
Cut the skunk off.
The skunk out of the boat. That's all we're trying to do right now. Trying to find bigger fish today. Probably be less fish. But we just got a bunch of fresh shad. We got some skipjack. We've got one Asian carp. So let's go see if we can. Alright guys, James here with River Lunacy. We did catch a fish a little while ago. Didn't really get a proper intro. We are on the Ohio River. We're up just a little bit. The river is extremely muddy and it has a lot of current right now. We caught a bunch of fresh shad. We brought some skipjack. Multiple types of rigs on. Santee Cooper style on these two right here, the blue rods. Everything has 9 and 10/0 hooks on them. Those two have the Trophy Cat Tackle kitty calls on them. Actually, one of them does have an 8/0, so I can keep one smaller bait on there. And then everything else has big hooks. We got one suspended here. When I get out of some of the really hard current, I'll probably suspend another one. But 10 ounces isn't even holding down, so that gives you an idea. Anyway, right now we're fishing some rock down in there, and there's a bunch of different seams right here. It just looks good, and we did mark a few fish, so we're gonna see if one of them's hungry. Let's check it out. Just hit a hump out of nowhere.
About 3 minutes in the water.
Pile of fish packed up behind this little hump. The hump just kind of come out of nowhere. It's one of them spots you got confidence in, you know. Fished a lot of water today with no confidence. We did some drifting. We spent a lot of hours on nothing. Just trying to kind of find some different water, some different structure to fish today than what I've been doing. We finally found one that's working. This water's around 37 foot deep, and then the hump comes up around 26, I believe. It's fairly wide. I really only got 2 rods out. Trying to get them in the water. I had a real funny feeling this guy was going to do his thing. It just looked fishy. Good thing. It's not been definitely not been the easiest day so far. You know, one of them frustrating kind of days. Although it's a real nice day, finally. Spring has finally kind of came into effect. That was on the green. 9-aught hook. Bigger bait. It's a little butter ball there. Let's let her go. Fish on. Big drop off here. I think he's in my other line. That's why he feels so heavy. It's gotta happen.
Two of them.
Maybe.
I didn't get the bite on that middle one.
That's the line he's in. Pretty sure.
I thought he was in the middle line.
Pretty sure he's on the middle line. Been a rough go at it, guys. It's about to be the end of the day. I was thinking about moving in a little bit to try some of the other structure here. Oh man, I think he's in a bunch of my lines. All of them.
That's what I thought. He's in both of them.
I don't know. This fish might be in all my lines for all I can tell here.
These are your lines and not my lines for a change. Last time you got no line.
Yeah, last time I think I caught a fish that went in all his, or the first one.
Yeah, the first one. He swam over all of them. Two of them.
Guy. Nice fish. I don't think he's in any of them. Yeah, he's in them. I just seen it. He bounced and that rod bounced at the same time. Nah, that looks like a fish. Or else this line is in that line. Oh, what a mess. Kind of crappy when that happens because you lose part of your fight. it all undone, and maybe we'll get lucky and get another one, right? That's the idea. Mean old face on him.
Yeah, look at his belly.
Breaking in there, man. I'm telling you. That's a 10-aught. Oh, that hook's in there. Here we go, guys. Fish on. Got him. Take a picture and let him go. Always leave a discount code for Trophy Cat Tackle in my description if you're ever interested in switching up on some hooks or something, you know, and rods, whatever you want. Let me get this nightmare undone. Maybe we get lucky and catch another fish. Come on, be a fish. That's a fish. Yes, come on, baby, come on. Here you go. Didn't drag. Stay on that other line. Channel cat. It's either a channel or a real mean little blue. Now he's in my other line. Darn. Got bigger all of a sudden.
Yeah. He took it down hard.
He's either in that other line or he's just a tough guy, I'm telling you what. He is a fighting machine, whatever, however big or what he is, I'll take it. I'll move back. I'm right on the ledge of this channel going down into this creek here. I was hoping we could get us a couple more before it was time's up. The rod's getting hot. Here he comes. He's coming. It's a mean youngster, I'm telling you. Man. He wants to act like he wants to hit a little drag. Let him go, man. God darn. Probably a big channel cat. It's a tough fish. Man. Blue, he is a tough little fish. You gotta come in. You're making too much noise, pal. Just had a little loop in that line right there where that fell and looped up. Just a little bit. Golly, that must hurt like hell right there on the top of that. Something. I mean, that's a good hook set. That gray one. Man, that's a mean fish. Finally got him in. Jeez. Let him go. Oh, man. It's fun when they act like that. It's fun when they act all crazy. God darn. All right, guys, it's the end of the day here. It's dinner time. It's actually a hot day. And, you know, we struggled some today. That dropping river is always not the funnest kind of river to fish. But we had a little learning experience today. Tried some different stuff, different techniques. We drift for probably 45 minutes. Didn't have a bite, you know what I mean?
How did that happen?
A lot of wind and stuff going on. I don't know. Now I gotta redo this whole thing.
I get ahead on my foot.
Somebody else's snag.
That's a skipjack there.
All right, well, it's the end of the day, guys. It's dinner time. It was a rough go today. Dropping river is a hard river to fish sometimes, you know, and plus that sun is just, it's hot right now. Well, we caught a few fish anyway. We learned some different things today on where we want to fish, where we don't want to fish, and that's what we did. So appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave all the comments you want. I'll always comment back. And if this is your kind of thing, please hit that subscribe button. It's free and you don't miss out on anything else. Thanks.